Sunday, you're bringing the cookies, right?
Just finishing them now. Y'all ready for the big show Monday?
Almost. Just putting the finishing touches on my sign. Done. Oh, hold on. I'm getting another call. Tuesday?
I printed out your flyers.
Sweet! And Wednesday's passing them out, right?
Yeah. I'll call her and check in.
No one's taking a flyer. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Calm down, Wednesday. You gotta go where people are. Are you at town hall?
Yes?
Are you sure you aren't hiding behind a tree?
Maybe?
It's Thursday. I might miss Monday's show. I'm finishing up some really important work. Never mind, I'll be there. Friday, can you pick me up?
Thursday? I can barely hear you. School just got out. Hold up, Saturday's calling.
Okay, I'm totally excited for Monday's show, but I don't know what to wear. Suggestions?
Don't worry about it, Saturday.
Wait, is that Monday?
It doesn't matter what you wear. The show starts in 10 minutes. Everybody, come on, get here.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? So we don't say goodbye anymore.
Hello! It's great to see so many days in the crowd. Halloween, Groundhog Day. Is that opposite day? Oh my gosh. Before I start my showcase, I'd like to introduce my special assistant, my pet, Gurgle. To begin, some original music. Anyone can do an ice sculpture, but what about an ice cream sculpture? Sorry, Labor Day. And now for my death-defying finale.
This is so weird. Let's get out of here.
This is why no one likes Monday.
Ta-da! Where'd everybody go?
Sorry, Monday. They said it was weird.
Weird? It wasn't weird. I'm not weird, right? If I wasn't weird, everyone would have stayed. I wish I was cool. That's it! I gotta learn to be cool! And I know just the day to show me how. The coolest of the cool.
Well, I don't know if I'd call myself the coolest, but
Friday! Everyone loves Friday. If you were to look up the word cool in a dictionary, there would be a picture of you, Friday.
She's right.
Friday, you've gotta help me, please!
Alright.
Yes!
Okay, first lesson of being cool, stop doing this.
Got it.
Hey, yo, Monday, you ready?
Come on up.
A greeting is the first chance to show someone how cool you are. So let's practice, like this. How's it going?
Wow. How to be cool. Greetings.
Now you try.
Howdy. Ugh. Put it there.
Let's keep practicing. What's going on, dude?
What's grilling, Mr. Sheriff?
Hey, what's happening?
Hoppin' Day Hat Man with the haystacks.
Sup?
Sit down.
Greetings may not be your strong point.
Catch ya on Baseball Mountain, Deuterino.
Let's try something else. Alright, this is the perfect, easiest thing you could do to look cool.
What is it?
You're looking at it.
But you're just leaning against the wall.
Exactly. It doesn't get much cooler than leaning against a wall, doing absolutely nothing.
Looking cool, Friday. You're working that wall.
Ooh, I want to try. Now what do?
You don't do anything. Just stand there and wait for the coolness to wash over you. I'll be right back to check on you.
I don't know, Gurgle. How will I know when the coolness washes over me? The coolness.
How we doing over here, Monday? Sorry, half day. Man, for such a short day, he sure is strong. I know something that is guaranteed to make you look cool.
The Friday Mobile! The spirit and wisdom of an old car. And yet, the smell of a new one.
Let's take it for a spin and show everyone how cool you are. Just promise to take it nice and slow! Where are you going?
Around town! This is awesome!
Maybe we should try being cool slower.
Good idea!
I meant the car. Monday, look out!
Ah, tree!
Whoa! Nice car! Monday?
Thanks, Arbor Day.
Say, what are you doing tonight?
Oh, probably the usual. Build a fort made of marshmallows, play in a fort made of marshmallows, and then eat.